Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaylee, back at it again with another tutorial. So I literally just went to Ulta and I bought the Makeup Revolution Rachel Leary, L-E-A-R? Yeah, I think it's Leary. I thought that was a V at first, but I'm sorry. I want to like look for her YouTube channel, but I'm gonna do it later. Honestly, I probably have seen her videos, but I probably just don't recognize the name because I just watch too many YouTubers. And I saw this palette and I thought it was so cute. Like, it's blue. Like, oh my god, I love it. It's a really pretty blue. And so far, I've tried this Revolution palette and I've noticed that they have really high quality products for a really affordable price, which is why I like the brand. Why are you so loud? It's driving me crazy. No, Francis. You too. I need to scoot up in the lens more. Okay. So for my eyebrows, I used the e.l.f. pomade. This is the e.l.f. pomade. Oh shit. What? Nothing. And for my eyeshadow primer, I'm using the P. Louise Makeup Academy Base Pro in the shade Rumor. And then I just put a little bit on the back of my hand because it says just put it on the back of your hand and it warms it up and then it makes it more buttery. Yeah. You get the point by now. But so far, I really like this primer. And then I'm using it on a BH Cosmetics number 8 brush. See!
Oh my god, I can't. Where's your phone at? Where's your phone?
Why?
Nothing, no reason. Shit. Oh shit. Oh, that was so funny.
What happened?
Nothing, I'll see you later. Nice to hear. Thanks.
She says, can I start? Girl, I'm broke right now. I'm buying too much makeup, you guys. You hear this? And I've never worn them again.
For real?
Yep.
Liar.
Swear.
Liar.
I'm not joking. And I kind of want to take the pink, this pretty little pink right here, and put that on my lid. But first, we're going to have to deepen this a little more. So when I cut the crease, it's more like precise, you know what I mean? You catch my drift. I had to blow the fallout because it does have fallout like on the pan, but it's okay, it works really good. Then I'm taking the shade Indulge. I'm pretty sure this is like a contour shade. I'm not really sure. All I know is that it's like in a big square, so I think it is. Yeah, it is a contour shade. This is a face and eyeshadow palette, but this shade is a pretty shade, so I'm using it. I'm pretty sure that you can use all these colors for anything because I noticed they have one called Ultimate Goddess and it's gold, and like no one's gonna put like a golden yellowish highlight for an everyday look, so. And then I'm taking the shade Bronze just to make it blend a little more. What? What are you doing? She looks like an exorcist right now. I'm dead. Then I'm taking the shade 70%, which is like a dark It's like a dark brown. It almost reminds me of like an eyebrow shade. So if you want to use it for your eyebrows. I know it's coming to Bore. It's off like the matte shades. This one's like a shimmery shade, so we're gonna find out. I don't really like the pigment, so I'm gonna spray the brush. I sprayed it with my Morphe setting spray. And now it's more picking up a little more. Actually, a lot more it picked up. But it's like not placing on my eyelid, which is making me kind of mad. Okay guys, so after we do the eyeshadow and all that stuff, we're gonna go with the face. We're going with the Lancome La Base Pro. I really like this primer, but I feel like the NYX one is just as good. So why spend $42 when you could spend $15 or $17, however much the next one is? I'm not really sure, but yeah, it's like $17, that's all. It's not that bad of a price for a really good primer, when this is like compared to $42. So I go get it. The next one is this one right here. Oh, I almost spilled all the latex, oh my god. The next one is this one right here, called NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. It hydrates for up to 8 hours and it works really good, so I'll get it. It's a steal. I got primer on my lid. Ah! And then for foundation, I'm taking the Morphe 2.20. I was about to put that on the back of my hand, but you know what? I don't like the feeling of foundation on the back of my hand.
It's like a snake on you.
No, it doesn't. And then for concealer, I'm not using any concealer today. I'm just going to be using this Milk Makeup setting powder. This is the Blur and Set. It's not ugly, it's just kind of like a whatever. And then while she listens to her stupid little video, what do I want? Do your makeup. Okay, what can I use? Anything, I don't care.
I need a mirror though.
Then I'm taking the Coty Airspun powder, and then I'm taking it a little more under my eyes because your girl don't want to crease under her eyes. But the Milk Makeup does help creasing under your eyes, but I feel like the powder is like really thin, so it just like dusts away really.
It's a cute cut.
And then for my mascara, I'm using the Wet n Wild Max Volume Hydro Fused Waterproof Mascara. This thing is really waterproof. It's hard to get off. So I normally use micellar water to get it
You
off.
should use them. They're real by Benefit.
Have you used them?
Mm-hmm.
Leave it.
Record?
No, it's already recording. And then to set my face, I'm using the Morphe Lens US Setting Mist All That Taste. It is bad.
That's a lot.
I literally use the top of the lid of my brush holder that I use as a fan, and then I just spray it. And then I like this Milani setting spray too. And this is the Make It Last one. And I literally don't open my eyes until I'm done because I don't want it to like crease or transfer or anything. This is it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. You could like suggest videos that you would like to see down below. And thank you for watching. Bye!